Hi, I'm Charles Lewis, Certified Master Inspector and founder of Nonprofit Home Inspections. Today, I want to share with you a few of the reasons why we are the highest rated inspection company in Beaverton, Oregon. Our Beaverton, Oregon home inspectors are the key to our success. As a 501c3 nonprofit organization, we strive to train and employ the most skilled, diligent, and qualified inspectors in the industry. Nonprofit Home Inspections provides funds to cover training that far exceeds the minimums required by Oregon State. Our home inspectors are continually working toward certifications and licenses that improve their skill set and knowledge of building systems, inspection equipment, building codes, and best building practices. Our Beaverton, Oregon inspectors are either certified master inspectors or are actively pursuing that elite designation. As part of our training mission, Nonprofit Home Inspections administers an Oregon State licensed home inspector training program that provides state-mandated education for home inspectors in Beaverton. Working with the private sector and government agencies, we provide training for the next generation of Oregon home inspectors. Our website is designed and built to allow for easy online scheduling. The online scheduling service allows you to schedule at any time of the day and to pick an inspection time that works best for you. We also deliver high-resolution custom reports on the day of the inspection, allowing you to make informed housing decisions. Our inspection reports are created with industry-leading software that allows us to accurately document the condition of the home in an easy-to-understand format. The reports we create for homes in Beaverton include high-definition images, videos, and graphics to help explain our inspection findings. NHI's inspectors are trained and equipped to provide radon testing, mold testing, oil tank sweeps, and on-site sewer scopes. We do not sub out these important services, and we only use top-of-the-line professional equipment. Our Beaverton, Oregon inspectors are INNOCI certified and trained to provide accurate and detailed environmental testing. Our self-leveling camera and 200-foot sewer camera reel allow us to capture video of the sewer line that can be depended on. Our inspectors are trained to spot deficiencies in the sewer line, which can cost thousands of dollars to repair. We use tamper-resistant and highly accurate continuous radon measurement devices that are laboratory calibrated and certified for use in real estate transaction testing. Our oil tank sweeps and soil sampling services are offered by our own Oregon DEQ certified technicians. Soil samples are sent to a local independent laboratory for analysis. Oil tank sweeps and soil sampling can help determine if an underground fuel oil tank has an expensive leak. Mold samples we collect are sent to a certified third-party lab for expert analysis. The samples allow the lab to create a detailed and easy-to-understand report that documents the presence of airborne mold spores in the home. The inspection tools we use are an important part of our mission to help you make safe, financially sound, and environmentally friendly housing decisions in the Beaverton, Oregon area. One of the most powerful tools in our arsenal is the infrared camera. We use professional-grade cameras with sensors capable of detecting tiny differences in heat. These cameras allow us to inspect floors, ceilings, and walls for roof leaks, missing insulation, electrical anomalies, and plumbing leaks. While it is not X-ray vision, it is as close as we are able to get. Our Beaverton home inspectors walk every roof when it is safe to do so and capture images of defects using our mobile inspection software. Those roofs that cannot be walked on without risk of falling or damage to the roof substrate, we inspect using drones or pole-mounted cameras. Our Oregon home inspectors are FAA certified drone pilots and are able to capture close-ups of roof defects with high-resolution images. Our pole-mounted cameras are equipped with optical zoom and Wi-Fi, allowing our inspectors to inspect and report on roof defects that others might miss. Our home inspectors arrive in a fully equipped inspection van that prepares them for any inspection challenge. Each inspector wears a fully loaded tool belt and has access to additional tools that allows them to inspect every home with the diligence and care it deserves. Our goal is to provide the most detailed and accurate home inspection report in Beaverton, Oregon. The hundreds of 5-star customer reviews we have received are a testament to our inspectors' hard work and attention to detail. Please visit our website to schedule your inspection and experience what sets us apart from the rest of the home inspectors in Beaverton, Oregon. Thanks.